Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Nissan AD. This vehicle has a problem with ABS. I have disconnected the handbrake, have engaged the foot brake. So according to this ABS light, and we don't have a handbrake light, or handbrake light is working perfect. So that one, it means that we have a problem with the speed sensor or speed wheel speed sensor. So to save time, I'm going to scan using my diagnostic machine so we identify the exactly wheel. But according to me, is front wheel. If you have a problem with the rear wheel ABS, it will show the handbrake and ABS. But because we don't have the handbrake light on the dashboard and it working perfect, it means that the problem is on the front wheel speed sensor. So I'm going to scan this machine, and the main fault code is C1104, which is front left hand sensor 1. So the problem is the speed wheel sensor on the front left side. It can be the ABS open circuit, or the exactly actuator or ABS actuator or control module. So let's go and find out. After repairing that ABS, let me put ignition on. See, the ABS okay. Let me start the vehicle. See, right now everything is okay. But before we proceed or we conclude, you have to clear the fault code from the system. Clear code. The clear fault code completed. Okay, let me read again. No DTC detected. Further testing may be required. So right now everything's okay. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.